Hello, good morning. We are Jake's class, and this is our postcard from camp.
Hello, my name is Sophia, and I'm going to be your tour guide.
Hello too, I'm Rita, and I'm going to be your sign language interpreter.
Hello, I am Lucia, and me too.
First, I would like to know, where are you from?
USA! USA! USA!
We are from England. A cup of tea.
Do you like hamburgers? Do you like hamburgers?
No, I just like fish and chips.
Okay, let's watch the city of Uclés.
Oh, look at that!
Where's my cell phone? Do you mean mobile phone? You stole it in the subway. Do you mean underground?
Okay, let's watch the museum. It's an abstract exhibit.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, it's beautiful. I'm sure that the artists are American because the paintings are beautiful.
Oh no, two priceless masterpieces have been disappeared. Look.
Rubber floor with lovely elevators.
Okay. So, two masterpieces have been stolen. Have you seen anything suspicious?
No, we haven't seen anything.
Only tourists. 3 American and 3 British.
Okay, and there was 2 guys?
Yeah, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so that leaves with 10 suspects because I think you were suspicious. Okay. I really see.
Oh, the paintings.
Well, we hope you have enjoyed this tour and bye.
Bye.